Hi there, how's things? How you doing? I hope you're all okay. Thanks for clicking on my video. It's good to see you all, and it's been a while. Finally back out. Last time I was out doing a video, it was October the 7th, 2020, the fateful day of the broken leg. But now I'm back out. I'm out local where I usually exercise, round by my local canal and wetlands. And it's nice. It's a nice frosty morning. There's a bit of frost on the leaves and stuff, and there's a little bit of mist about. So I've taken a few images of the canal and a few images around this wetland nature reserve. So we're all on lockdown 3, the revenge, and I'm starting to get a bit fed up, and I understand it's necessary. Don't put me down as a COVID denier. It's definitely there, and it is definitely dangerous if you get a bad version of it. And we all must stick to the rules, masks, space and all that, to protect the NHS for which I work for. And we are doing our best to look after you guys, to look after everyone, whatever is wrong with them. Anyway, that's that bit done. Enough of COVID. I'm really fed up of it. I feel really sad this week. I feel like it's never ever gonna end. So I dragged my ass out of bed this morning, even though it was freezing cold, and I was a bit worried about being out on the ice with my leg, because you don't want to go out, slip and break it straight away, dear. That really is stressing me. Also, I managed to have a car crash on New Year's Eve, a little one, and now I'm stressed about driving as well. So God knows, photography is the only thing that doesn't stress me. I'm making videos for you guys, and that's why I'm here, of course, because I do love putting pictures up that you guys enjoy, and I hope you enjoy the ones that I select for this video. A little bit of B-roll. As I say, it's lockdown, it's local, we don't want to overdo it. I'm out with a tripod and one camera. I'm out with my G9 and two lenses. That's all I've got anyway. But I hope I've got some images that are worth your time. Anyway, when this is all over and we can all meet up, I was wondering if anyone at a similar level of subscription on their channel would like to meet up and have a collaboration. If you do, why don't you drop a little comment underneath, and hopefully we can get together, share some ideas and have a good day out, whether it be Peak District, Lake District, wherever. I'll drive anywhere as long as it's worth photographing, because you gotta have a target to aim for. I think you gotta have a goal to aim for when you're out of lockdown, something to keep you going, something that excites you a little bit. And I've never ever done a collaboration, and I would love to learn from other people with their techniques and their ideas. Another idea I've got, I don't know whether you want to put in the comments about this, is maybe a few of us on a set date, set time, like I say, of a similar small subscription. Let's all get together on Zoom and share some ideas and just have a laugh. You know, it's an easy thing to do nowadays. We can Zoom anywhere from any country in the world, and we've all got different ideas and we've all got different things that we enjoy. Put a comment down below if you want to do a Zoom, and we'll set something up and have a chat. You know, it's just nice to be out somewhere where all you've got to listen to is birdsong. It's just brilliant. I love it. There is no stress around here, well, apart from walking on ice, that is. But it's something I'm going to have to get over into while I'm out walking. I can't be tiptoeing around everywhere and worrying about falling over. That's just irrational. So anyway, the Lumix S5 loan I had set up obviously didn't happen because we're back in lockdown, and hopefully I can sort that out when we come out, whenever it is, March, April, May, June, July, September, whatever happens after everyone's had a vaccine. And that's full vaccine, not just half a vaccine, Boris. Okay? Do you know, it's just absolutely lovely when it's like this. Calm, no wind, and a bit of mist. And smoke from the chimneys on the boats. So if you could find it in your hearts to like this video, subscribe, because I find that like 80% of the people that watch these videos aren't even subscribed, so if you could just click subscribe, that would be awesome. I'm also going to put a link on for Epidemic Sound, which is the copyright free music I use. It's £10 a month to use it, and if you click on that link and you sign up to Epidemic Sound, then I get a free month, which would be awesome. I don't ask for very much on my videos, and I'd love it if you could do that. Anyway, it's been a pleasure talking to you. I hope I haven't depressed you all too much, and I will see you on the next video.